MC, you's a bad mind, cold-hearted lady. And, you know, all the best to you, see, like me say, me want you galat spread way. Me want you put it wall out to shame. So if you fancy your bad mind crowd over there I support you, because that is the crowd that you attract. Continue to talk about people. Continue to bad mind people. If you're getting paid for it, do it.
Me say a dream is just a dream if you fail to manifest it.
On the top with the back and forth. Me say somehow no, I send screen recording go give this a person or she not like you. There's nobody what me dislike. You understand? Me might not like some people ways. But that is that. Me hear all people that over there. And I say, oh, Chris come on him live and I cuss me. Me watch him live. He was not cussing me. The moral of the story is that it was a misunderstanding. So that squash and that seal. I think for him, it's all about the money. It's the truth. Listen, me can't talk on his behalf. But I'm just saying, I see him as a hustler. Hustle him a hustle. I don't think if him come here or even cause somebody, he really give a rat's ass. I'm just saying, it's entertainment and it's content. It's content. And that's what the viewers them gonna need for understand. Say, people make content to make money. Them page monetize. Right? So when they make content and them get them how much views, Facebook will pay them. Me not monetize my page. Right? So that's why when me talk, me just talk. I not really care about the whole content thing. Good morning, auntie, excuse me. So I think it's just more so for him a hustle, a content. I'm almost sure once him lock off him live, him no remember about nobody on social media. Me know say if you're troubling me more, come out and answer. You understand? But me not really follow up nobody on social media to know who is really. I want troublemaker me, you know. And I the lady. Oh no the lady. And she alone me really know as a troublemaker. Cause I don't really know anybody else as a troublemaker. I see everybody else but she as a hustler. Everybody a hustle. So if you don't want to take up little drama like this for uno head. Cause look at that. Me give her content. When me send to show you, me no bad man, you know. Me can't bad man nobody. When me send you a picture, when me send them a picture, I'm about to wall. I give them content because she was able to wake up this morning and tell the whole of YouTube, say look at what the bleach out girl sent me a picture her cacao wall. And she was able to get views and get payment. So I gave you content. She might think say in a fear head me and her have a real beef or me have a real war. We don't have no real beef. We don't have no real war. Me help you out this morning. Be thankful. You make a couple dollars off of me. Me not make none off of you because Facebook not pay me. Me not activate stars. Me not take payment. So at the same time, me I help you out. You understand? And that is that on the top tech social media so serious. And people I get paid. I might get paid for them little views and so. I will not take it out. Beef and war when me come at you. I when me come at your front door. I when me find where you live. Yeah? I when me find where you live and come at your yard. Come fuck you up. That is what war is. This back and forth on social media and a real war. A bunch of people attack, and if them to see, if that the woman they to see me in a real life, in a budge. In a budge. In a go like you see me in good turn way face. And I like say if you see me, you go can do me something. You go see me and go like you not see me. All you can do, keyboard, bad people, the pious, I be a keyboard. But to bottom, let me say, MC, you's a bad mind, cold-hearted lady, And, you know, all the best to you, see, like me say, me want you girl at spread way. Me want you put the wall out with the shame. Yeah? Honestly, me want you put the wall out with the shame. Me want when your event keep, and it crowded, everybody on YouTube, where talk say your event I go flop, I go come back and say, watch all the woman event just dash way, and we did there and the estimator. You understand? And if bad mind and grudgeful is your way of getting your views, go on. If that fear attract your crowd, cause it look like you have a crowd over there where have a dirty heart and grudge people for them success as well. Everybody have them crowd. So if you fancy your bad mind crowd over there as support you, cause that is the crowd that you attract, continue to talk about people, continue to bad mind people. If you're getting paid for it, do it. It's what's feeding you. Me can't tell you to stop do it because it a feed you. It a feed you. Go ahead. No man. I don't knock nobody. Do what you do. But that not gonna change the price of bread. That not gonna change the cost of living. That not gonna change people's success. Nothing what you say I do cannot stop nobody on social media while grow. Blessing off the floor. And to all of the vloggers them, ride them like a donkey. Big up to all of the vloggers them. Give the people them what them want. So me have to tell my friend this morning. Cause she always a talk about say, no Lesha, me not gonna talk about that. I'm not that type of person. Me say, when you do your video, then put on your blood clot mask. Remember now, you don't take nothing with them people you say serious. If they, you see, if them a trend, ride them like a jockey because of your views that make you get paid. You might not mean nothing what you say. You might not business with nothing that's going on. But once you can, a content one can get your views, and YouTube I send you a big check, you just ride them like a jockey. Ride them. And don't stop ride them. And make your money. As we say, anything for $1, you know. Anything for $1. $1 is $1. Every mickle make a muckle. Anyway you forget it. Thank you very much. Ride them like ride them. You know, give a fuck. Ride them. And don't stop. Big up Speak My Mind TV over YouTube. I'm not care. She know I call her name. But because she got done me now. And reasoning with Chin, I want to hold on to go follow my bestie over YouTube. She don't want me call her name because now me make everybody a cuss her. Because once them find out say me and her a friend, them a cuss her now. When you go on over YouTube and go follow Reasoning with Chin. For any of you YouTubers, from Tea Lady to Big Whopper She, if you really are take things to heart, that is on you. You just kill up yourself ever faster because nobody on social media. I don't think none of us take you guys serious. Tea Lady, none of we not take you serious. You understand? A whole away. Especially the vlogger them love Tea Lady. Big up Tea Lady. I want to top the hypocrite. Big up the woman. I put up her name right now. Pan YouTube. The amount of money you make. You just have to put up one picture of a sheep on your thumbnail. Out. Yeah?